In this video, I will show you the settings where you can change the text alignment on collection pages in Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin account and go to Online Store, then click on Edit Theme. Once the theme editor loads, on the left side, click the arrow icon next to Featured Collection to expand the menu. Under Product Cards, click on Product Title. Now you will see the text alignment option, which is currently set to left. So change it to center and click Save. Now go back to your website and refresh the page. And as you can see, the product title and price are now centered on all product cards within your collections, as well as in sections like featured products. So that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel.